eyes are going to be on the big game, on the Kansas City Chiefs and Philadelphia Eagles battling it out during Super Bowl 59. The action off the field is also just as fierce. Unilever is once again stepping into the spotlight with an iconic brand like Hellmann's and Dove, making big bets on the big game. But what makes these $7 million ad spots worth it? And how do they turn those moments into lasting connections with customers? Well, I caught up with Unilever's CEO, Herrish Patel, to find out.
Well, firstly, we want our brands to be unmissable, right? These two brands are our two biggest brands. They are, majority of households in the US, and what a wonderful way to showcase for the big game.
And talk to me about, with big game ads, they cost roughly around $7 million for a 30-second spot. That's a big chunk of change. So why do you think that businesses continue to do this, and do you think that it's worth it?
Look, firstly, there's so much more to the big game around just the ad. So the ad gives us huge amounts of reach. It's the biggest sporting event in the US, so both brands get huge visibility in the way they show up, and it's unmissable. But it's more than that. We also do social, creator, influencing right across the digital spectrum. And then you think about our big partners like Walmart, Amazon, etc. We have huge displays to showcase our innovation for the rest of the year. So it is very much a 12-month investment, a brand equity investment.
And I believe that you call those the always-on campaigns. Is that correct? Talk to me more about this concept and the innovation behind it.
The always-on campaign is, let's use sports marketing as an example. It's always on because we start with Super Bowl, then we get into college basketball, then we get into college football. We also then sponsored last year the Women's World Cup. So we have a philosophy around sports that's always on, as in we're always communicating, we're always in the moment, we're in the cultural moment, which allows us to connect with communities, consumers, but also then showcase with our retail partners our innovation that we're launching in that year, which is a multi-year innovation platform.
What other major sport events is Unilever involved in, and why are they a good fit for your brand?
Well, Super Bowl is one. We obviously we have a FIFA partnership, so for soccer, professional soccer. We also do college. And they're great fits because what sports buys is real-time engagement for the brand, right? It's live. It also gives us a digital platform, but it also allows us to activate with some of our biggest customers around the event, promoting either our core business or our innovation. So it's a real-time marketing strategy.
But how do you go about choosing those cultural moments to invest in?
Cultural moments are the ones where it fits with the brand. So Super Bowl is a really good example, or the big game, where the majority of Americans tune in. They're all actually fascinated with the ads. And then it allows us to build on that moment in the way we take that right through to social influencers, creators. We create content always on. And then you see that all the way through our .com sites or with our in-store partners.
And with the rapid development of technology, AI, we're seeing all of these digital media platforms constantly evolving. How do you keep up with that ever-changing landscape?
I think it's a great question. Look, technology is the big breakthrough. So we believe that we want to be the best at social. We call it culture at scale. That's what we want to be at. And we're investing in technology that allows us to create, how do we create 10,000 worth of content for one activation? How do we use AI to ensure that we target audiences in the right way where they shop? So technology will be the enabler for the new dawn of marketing.